In a beautiful sunlit forest, there lived a tiny bird named Tweety. With her bright yellow feathers and cheerful song, she brought joy to all the animals around her. But one day, something felt different. The forest was quiet, and the animals looked worried. Tweety flew through the trees, trying to figure out what was happening. Tweety landed near her wise friend, Leo the lion. "What's going on?" she chirped. Leo, calm and composed, explained, "A big storm is coming, and everyone must prepare for shelter." Tweety asked nervously, "Are you scared?" Leo smiled gently and said, "No, I'm not scared, but we all need to find a safe place to rest." Tweety fluttered her tiny wings, feeling unsure but determined. All the animals were rushing to caves, burrows, and trees to find shelter. But Tweety was too small to fit in any of these places. She didn't have a place to hide. Thinking quickly, Tweety decided to fly to the top of the tallest tree in the forest. "If I can reach the highest point, I'll be safe," she thought to herself. The wind started to howl, and dark clouds filled the sky. Tweety flapped her tiny wings harder, determined to reach the top, even as the wind grew stronger. The higher she flew, the harder it became. The wind roared and the tree swayed, but Tweety didn't give up. "I can do this," she whispered to herself. Finally, after battling the storm, Tweety reached the very top of the tree. The storm raged below, but she was safe and proud of her determination. The next morning, the storm had passed, and sunlight poured into the forest. Tweety looked out at the peaceful scene and felt a deep sense of accomplishment. As the animals emerged from their shelters, they spotted Tweety perched high above them. They were amazed at her bravery and cheered loudly for her. Leo approached and asked, "How did you stay safe, Tweety?" She replied with a smile, "I flew high and kept going, even when the wind was strong." The animals gathered in a circle, celebrating Tweety's bravery. They learned that courage sometimes means facing challenges, even when they seem impossible. From that day on, Tweety became known as the brave little bird. Her story inspired everyone in the forest to be brave and persevere. And so, the forest always remembered Tweety's courage. Her story taught them that bravery isn't about being fearless. It's about not giving up, no matter how hard things seem. What challenges will you face bravely today? Remember Tweety's story and believe in yourself. Dear kids, this channel for educational purpose. If you enjoyed this and want to learn English and motivational stories, like and subscribe the channel.